Today we're going to visit the South Lawson Park. Here's the entrance to the track. I've come down Honour Avenue in Lawson from the town centre as far as Livingston Street, and our track heads off here to the right. We're at the point where Lawson Creek begins to drop over the sandstone cliffs. The first waterfall is in front of us. This is Adelina Falls, and down in the valley adjoining is the first of the rainforest. Here we are at the bottom of Adelina Falls. Pretty little waterfall. Down here in the rainforest. I'm standing at the top of Junction Falls, which drops away down below us. Shortly we'll come to the point where we can see it from below. And this is the top of the second fall at Junction Falls, which join up down below us there. This is the waterfall on the second creek we just crossed. It comes down here, and at the bridge it joins the water coming from the main stream. Just across the bridge there's another track which leads off to the left, and that brings us down to the first waterfall we saw. If anything, the second one is larger. Federal Falls, with its very sandy area for children to play. Now we come to the last of the waterfalls, Cataract Falls. Sandy area, and as you can see the falls in two parts. Not unusual.